this industry, tough jobs are the standard. Heavy loads, demanding environments, tight timelines. There's no room for equipment that can't keep up. The people we serve build schools, build roads, clear debris. They don't need promises. They need tools that perform. That's why every attachment we build is engineered to meet or exceed OEM performance and durability standards. Designed for demanding applications, built to take a beating and keep going.
What gives me confidence that the TAG product will hold up over time is we've been using them over time. We're putting them through a lot of different conditions every day.
We experience a lot of sandy conditions, which can be a huge wear on a lot of the equipment we use, especially on the buckets digging for deep utilities.
And the TAG product stands up very well in our conditions.
The TAG's been a great partnership for us with that equipment.
They're engineered very well and they last.
Rugged isn't just a tagline, it's how we build. Every cut, every weld, every detail. And when something needs to move quickly, it does. When you call TAG, you talk to someone who knows the work. If the job requires something different, we work alongside you to get it right. Need something custom? Give us a call. You'll talk to a real person, not a robot or an answering service. We're a team of experienced professionals who understand your equipment, know your deadlines, and act with the urgency your business demands.
I truly believe that the customer service department and the team that we have here at TAG is really our secret sauce.
When a customer calls TAG, you're gonna talk to a person directly like me, and whoever has that phone call will take care of the customer until the end.
We move very quickly at TAG with custom requests. We can usually have a design turned around in a matter of hours, sometimes a matter of days.
With 500,000 square feet of manufacturing capacity, we're built to move with urgency, so you can keep your projects moving. Reliability isn't just about performance in the field, it's about consistency. From the first job to the 100th. We stand behind our products with a warranty on everything we ship out. Because over time, that's what matters most. Doing what's right, standing by your work, and being there when it counts.
Standing behind our product really is about a reputation, and it's about supporting our business partners. I mean, our customers move dirt, they build roads, they build schools, they build infrastructure all across the country, and they depend on our product to do that, and our community depends on our product to do that.
People use our products every day, and the responsibility that we have is to help them do a job that they need. They need our products and attachments on their machines to get a job done.
For more than 20 years, TAG Manufacturing has built attachments trusted across the industry. Built in Chattanooga, delivered nationwide, ready for the work ahead. TAG Manufacturing, fast, rugged, reliable. Contact us today.